Right now, we continue our month-long Taking Action for Your Parents campaign. Nobody likes to think about parents getting older, much less passing away, but legal decisions made today can make that transition less painful and less costly tomorrow.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Muffin.
How you doing today?
I am doing just fine.
Good.
At 83, retired marketing executive Alan Stewart is a contented resident of the Grand Court Assisted Living Facility in Tampa.
I used to be able to sit here, too, and look at it.
But the medical emergency that made it necessary for him to move here would have been much worse for Alan's daughter had he not already given her power of attorney and the right to access his bank accounts that goes with it.
He couldn't do anything, and we needed money to move him certain places, to get him here, to transport him here. And if we didn't have power of attorney, we would have been completely financially ruined.
Linda is dedicated to the care of her father, but less fortunate seniors are cheated out of nearly $3 billion a year in Florida, often by their own families.
One of the major false assumptions that we probably all have is that our children or our loved ones would never take advantage of us. And that, unfortunately, is a false assumption.
That's why Stetson law professor Roberta Flowers says power of attorney should be drawn up with the help of a lawyer and have limits.
If I give you a power of attorney, I don't want you to have the ability to give everything to yourself. I want to limit what you can do with my money.
Power of attorney is critically important for seniors unable to make their own legal and financial decisions, but it expires when the person dies. That's why you'll need a will or a trust if you want a say in how your property is divvied up. It may be tempting for older people to give away their valuables or even the deed to their home before they die in exchange for a promise to be taken care of. But elder law expert Rebecca Morgan says that can backfire.
What if I did give you my house and then you decided you weren't going to care for me anymore and you kicked me out? Well, the house is now in your name, so we're going to have to go to court and litigate what was meant. Alan
Stewart's careful planning that started a decade ago has made his later years better for himself and his children.
If you haven't planned and you haven't done the things that are required to make these days happy for you and comfortable, you're going to pay the price.
Alan's daughter, Linda, and our legal experts agree that putting everything in writing is essential, but end-of-life planning should include an open and frank discussion with all the family members involved.